The legend of Mount Sorapis. Long ago, nestled in the heart of the Dolomites, there was a mystical mountain called Sorapis. This towering peak, with its jagged cliffs and shimmering snow-capped summit, was home to an ancient and powerful king named Sorapis. He was known throughout the land as a kind and just ruler, beloved by all who lived under his protection. King Sorapis had a daughter named Misurina, a young princess with a heart as wild and free as the mountain winds. She was a spirited child, known for her laughter that echoed through the valleys and her insatiable curiosity about the world around her. But Misurina was also spoiled and demanding, often insisting on having her way no matter the cost. One day, Misurina heard of a magical mirror possessed by a fairy who lived on a distant mountain. This mirror, it was said, could read the thoughts of anyone who looked into it. Captivated by the idea of such a powerful object, Misurina begged her father to get it for her. King Sorapis, who loved his daughter more than anything in the world, reluctantly agreed to grant her wish. Setting off on a long journey, the king climbed treacherous paths and crossed raging rivers to reach the fairy's dwelling. When he finally found her, the fairy listened to his request with a somber expression. She agreed to give him the mirror, but at a terrible price. King Sorapis himself would have to be transformed into a mountain to protect the mirror and prevent its misuse. Desperate to please his daughter, King Sorapis accepted the fairy's condition, believing that the happiness of his beloved Misurina was worth any sacrifice. He took the mirror back to his daughter, explaining the fairy's conditions. Misurina, blinded by her desire, eagerly took the mirror, oblivious to the fate that awaited her father. As soon as Misurina gazed into the mirror, the fairy's spell took hold. A strong wind swept through the valleys and dark clouds gathered around the peak of Mount Sorapis. Before Misurina's eyes, her father began to change. His body grew tall and massive. His skin turned to cold stone, and his voice, once warm and gentle, became the rumbling thunder echoing through the mountains. Realizing too late the cost of her desire, Misurina wept, her tears cascading down her cheeks. Her sorrow was so great that it moved even the heavens, and the skies opened up, pouring rain over the newly formed mountain. Her tears flowed down the slopes, creating a crystal-clear lake at the mountain's base. Today, that lake is known as Lake Sorapis. Its waters are brilliant turquoise, reflecting the sorrow and sacrifice of a father's love. The mountain itself stands as a silent guardian, a testament to the legend of King Sorapis and his daughter Misurina. Travelers and hikers who visit the lake often speak of feeling a strange presence, as if the spirit of King Sorapis still watches over his domain, reminding all who hear the tale of the power of love and the price of selfish desire. We appreciate you watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to help our channel grow and reach more people. Have a lovely week ahead.